This video contains significant original text commentary.
Hell. Oh. Holy crap. Wow.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Life, she was a dreamer, she was so romantic.
Those dreams led Anna to leave her hometown of Bogota, Colombia,
Jesus Christ!
and move to the U.S.
She had a difficult life back in Colombia, and she wanted a better life for herself. She didn't know English when she first came.
Black hole sun, won't you come? Wash away the rain. Black hole sun.
Jesus fucking Christ! You saw that, right?
So what are the basics? Tell me your problem. So wanna stay sober when you're in the fucked over so much. Always coming up short like a motherfucker. Yeah. And I can never sleep at night. Fuck paying bills.
One-way road, buddy.
Buckling, but it was way inside. 2-1.
Oh, what the hell?
You don't want to see a walk here.
What a moron.
Vanessa's due up.
The fuck are you doing? Dude.
On you? Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Kathleen?
Come on, man. What are you... where are you going?
Oh,
Very close play at second base. And throw by Sanchez, one hopper, but right on the bat. And
Turn right onto Southgate Road. At the light, use the left lane to merge onto I-70 East toward Wheeling.
Which way? We'll do a U-turn. Not a U-turn, but you know. I'm not doing that.
Yeah.
Proceed.
wasn't like a circle, it had maximum shoreline. And
Okay, watch out for this guy. What is he doing? Whoa, okay. Jesus Christ.
Uh-oh, what an idiot. But I'll record that.
At the light, turn right onto Olentangy River Road.